See if anybody's home.
Oh, hi.
Oh,
I
hello.
didn't see them.
Where are we?
Grand Rapids, Michigan.
We are at the Residence Inn in Grand Rapids. So we got, I think this is a 1-bedroom. East Point, so I got what they gave me. Got a microwave, stove. Haven't really looked yet to see. There's accoutrements if you need them. Pots and pans.
I couldn't tell you what I'm looking at without a map.
Little bar area here. There's a mirror right there with, I guess, a phone thing. Let's see our view. There you go. You can see
There you go.
the city. Got a little couch.
I feel like we should be having there too, but I guess we're not on the edge.
Got a desk, got drawers. And then there's the bedroom. King size bed, another TV. See if we can see outside again. It's a good view. Let's see what else is here. And then got our closet. There's a little vanity kind of area with some drawers. Closet. Ooh, I'll be needing that. Can step out tonight. Bathroom. Shower with shower stuff. We were coming up the elevator. One of the ladies told us it was very nice. I think she's right.
Sure.
This seems like a pretty good place. What do you want to do now?
Go to Hopcat.
All right, we're going to Hopcat. We'll see you there.